Kaya siya may host. Anyway, maayong gabi sa tanan. Siguro nag-artista rin eh. Anyway, una sa tanan, no, ako yung akong pasalamat sa tanan mga classmates na nakakaroon. No? I might be serious as the time goes on. Kay I'm really happy, no. Walay sukod akong kalipay because perhaps after graduation sa atong elementary years, ako ang pinakaunang i-part sa isla, no. That's why in the past days, no, as the alumni is approaching, kasi ko kadamon ko ba, marang kulang yun kayo akong, kulang ko ito pagitaon. No, knowing the fact na hapit na ka katunga o kwan. I'm already 49 years old, no? Next year I'll be 50. So,
golden years na.
Murag, perhaps ka na nga stage, kinala na itong maghiluklog. Sort of. But we need to maximize the time that we have. Diba? That's one of the reasons I really make to